Iguazu Falls isn't one waterfall, it's roughly 275 separate waterfalls, spread across nearly 3 kilometers, straddling the border of Argentina and Brazil. Here's how a single river ends up shattering into hundreds of falls at once. The story starts around 132 million years ago, not with the river at all, but with one of the largest volcanic events in Earth's history. As the ancient supercontinent Gondwana began tearing apart, opening up what would become the South Atlantic Ocean, colossal fissure eruptions poured out staggering volumes of basaltic lava across what is now southern Brazil, Paraguay, and northern Argentina. This event, called the Paraná Flood Basalt Province, built up a vast plateau made of stacked basalt layers, in places over a kilometer thick. Basalt from separate lava flows doesn't cool uniformly. Some layers solidified as dense, hard, massive basalt, while others, particularly near the base of each flow, cooled with more gas bubbles and cracks, making them softer and more easily eroded. This created a plateau made of alternating hard and weak rock layers stacked on top of each other like an unevenly baked cake. The Iguazu River flows across the edge of this plateau along a line of geological weakness, where a fault in the crust created a natural drop in elevation. As the river reaches that edge, it doesn't erode evenly. It cuts quickly through the softer basalt layers, but is held up by the harder ones above, creating a stepped, terraced profile rather than one smooth slope. And it's this terracing, combined with the wide, island-studded river channel splitting around dozens of rocky outcrops, that fragments a single river into hundreds of individual cascades rather than one unified drop. At the heart of the falls sits the Devil's Throat, Garganta del Diablo, a U-shaped chasm where the largest volume of water converges and plunges over 80 meters in one thunderous drop, the most powerful single section of the entire system. Like Niagara, Iguazu is also slowly retreating upstream, as the resistant basalt caprock is gradually undercut by erosion at the base of each drop and collapses, moving the falls a little further upriver over time, creating the gorge of the waterfalls. What looks like chaos is really the predictable result of a layered volcanic plateau meeting a river with nowhere to go but down, unevenly, hundreds of times over. If you want to understand how the world's landscapes were really made, subscribe for more Landform explainer videos.